Well, it feels wonderful to bring it to England, and it also feels like home because it's where our home base was. You know, all our crew were British, and we shot all over England and Scotland, and of course, our home base was Pinewood. So, I spent almost a year living here and loved it. So it's really a joy to bring it and also share it with so many of the people who made it with us. Well, he's a dear friend. He's one of the greatest movie stars of all time, but also I think when you become a movie star, people overlook what a fine actor he is. He is a great actor who's always not just been dashing and handsome and strong and decisive in his movies, but also brings his unique personality, eccentricities, foibles, tics, craziness, and unpredictability and comedy to every movie. And he's just a miracle, and it's been the opportunity of a lifetime to make a movie with him, along with all my other collaborators on this, from John Williams to George Lucas to Steven Spielberg to Kathy Kennedy, onward and onward. Phoebe Waller-Bridge. I mean, it's been an absolute joy. Well, he is the sound of Indiana Jones, and he is also, John Williams is one of the preeminent composers of all time for movies, and has brought orchestral music and shared orchestral music with the world at a time when people have looked elsewhere for most of the music they're listening to. Has found a way to take traditional classic movie scores and take them to a level that fetches the imagination and soars the mind and moves the heart.